The train swayed gently through the dark, its rails humming softly like a distant Viennese waltz. Inside the cabin known as Philosophy and Pie, tea cooled beside forgotten books, while rain blurred the countryside beyond the windows. Lady Marmalade said softly, "You can quiet a voice, but you can never truly quiet a mind. Not even with mindfulness." Misunderstood replied quietly, "I am trying to understand freedom." Lady Marmalade smiled faintly and asked, "And what has philosophy sold you so far?" Misunderstood lowered her eyes towards the book in her lap. That Locke believed the human mind begins blank, a slate waiting to be written upon. Lady Marmalade chuckled softly. Tabula rasa. What an optimistic little theory. Misunderstood traced the rim of her teacup and continued. He writes about liberty, property, natural rights, but strangely, not freedom of speech. Lady Marmalade leaned back slowly before answering. Freedom of speech is merely a privilege. Privileges can be removed with signatures, laws, and polite little stamps. But freedom of thought, that one terrifies them. Because even when they silence voices, the mind still wanders, still questions, still hums quietly to itself in the dark. And that is why they prefer convincing you to build your own cage. It saves them the trouble. The train curved gently through the rain, the rails singing softly beneath them. Misunderstood spoke again, almost dreamily. Plato believed something different. He thought knowledge was remembering, that perhaps the soul already knows, and life merely asks questions until memory awakens. Lady Marmalade smiled with quiet amusement. Ah, yes, Plato, the philosopher of misplaced cosmic memories. A charming theory. That truth already waits inside us like old love letters hidden in drawers. Misunderstood looked toward the rain beyond the glass. And what do you believe? Lady Marmalade answered slowly. I believe Locke was far too optimistic about who gets to hold the chalk. And Plato at least allows me to blame my missing keys on a stubborn soul refusing to remember. Misunderstood blinked softly and asked, "What keys?" Lady Marmalade smiled warmly. Exactly. Misunderstood lifted her tea and whispered, "Perhaps some things are better forgotten." Lady Marmalade nodded slowly. "Oh, absolutely, darling." And the train continued onward through darkness, through memory, through forgotten stations, as though the rails themselves understood that somewhere between blank slates and ancient remembering, truth was always in motion.